Hello, this is a quick overview of the layout on Canvas for annual integrated planning support. At the top of the page, please take a moment to watch a video introduction by Marnie Foster, our fabulous Student Learning Outcomes Coordinator, who will explain this new approach to online training via Canvas. Canvas will be organized into sections with links to topics you choose to review. So one thing to remember about this is not like a subject course. It's more of a reference manual with a table of contents available for you to access as you wish. So there's no right or wrong way to review the material, and there's no particular sequence that needs to be followed. Although it is laid out in such a way where it does start with more generalities. So as you can see, we have the general overview of AIP, with the timeline and information about improvements from last year. And you can get started there. As you keep going down, you'll find more information about the tools that are associated with using or with writing AIP. So we'll start by opening up one of the buttons as an example of what you will see. In just about every button that you click, the template will be laid out fairly similarly, where you will see either a video or a preview of a document. And then whenever there's a document, there will always be a version of that uploaded, so you can click on the link and download that if you wanted to print it out, for instance. And also common to every template, there will be at the bottom a place to ask questions or make comments. So there will be a lot of options for interaction online. So questions are always welcomed, and it's great to kind of have these topics separated so that the questions can be focused on one particular subject. So as we continue down on the home page, we'll get to kind of the meat of AIP, which are the learning modules. So it's broken down into three components, which are program review, strategic planning, and request for resources. And beneath that, again, are more links to related to the topics above. So there really is no difference between the black buttons and the links, but it's just that these are organized differently, and they're more or less kind of subcategories of these three headings at the top. But again, if you click on any of them, it will take you to a template which will contain, in this case, a preview of the PDF file. It will have a link to download the PDF file, and will also have at the bottom a place for comments and suggestions and questions. So that's how that works. And then we keep going down, and there's the data coaching section, which is still under construction, but we hope to have that up and running fairly soon, with videos and other documents for yours to support you in writing AIP. At the bottom, there's another section for questions as well, and it's just similar to, I guess, the links above. You can ask questions here as well, but maybe there's a question that's more general or not specific to one of the topics. This would be a good place to ask them. And lastly would be the office hours sign up. They will be held on Wednesdays and Thursdays, noon to 11 in 30-minute increments, with either Jesus or with Marnie. And if you click on this, it will take you to an external link with a sign up sheet. And you can, it's pretty self-explanatory, so you can pick and choose the day and time that you want and with who you want, and go from there. So we'll go back again. And at the bottom, I think you saw the comments and suggestions, link to that. And again, any type of feedback is always welcome to try to make this a great user experience and try to constantly improve on um, these workshops. So that's about it. Thank you.